Imagine the aroma of freshly baked thin crust pizza wafting through your kitchen, with a perfectly leopard-spotted crust and golden bubbling cheese. Whether you're running a bustling restaurant or hosting a pizza night at home, this Crosson ETL listed commercial double-deck 16-inch countertop electric pizza oven is engineered to deliver pizzeria-quality results with ease. This powerhouse appliance solves common cooking frustrations, from uneven baking to time-consuming prep, making it a must-have for pizza enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this oven is a top contender in the world of commercial pizza ovens, diving into its standout features, benefits, and real-world performance. Spoiler alert, it's a game-changer. Solving common cooking challenges. For restaurant owners, busy shifts can turn pizza making into a logistical nightmare. Unevenly cooked pies, long wait times, and inconsistent results frustrate both staff and customers. Home cooks face similar woes, struggling with ovens that can't hit high enough temperatures for authentic crusts or require constant pizza rotation. The Crosson Double Deck Pizza Oven tackles these issues head-on with its intelligent design, precise controls, and robust construction. This ETL-certified oven ensures safety, sanitation, and reliability, letting you focus on crafting delicious pizzas without the stress. Why the Crosson Double Deck Pizza Oven stands out. The Crosson oven isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's a precision tool designed to elevate your pizza game. With a 120-volt power output, it delivers consistent high heat performance that rivals professional setups. Its double-deck design allows you to cook two 16-inch pizzas simultaneously, perfect for high-demand environments or feeding a crowd. The included pizza stones ensure crispy, evenly cooked crusts, while the independent temperature controls let you fine-tune each deck for perfect results. Let's break down the features that make this oven a standout choice. Key features of the Crosson Double Deck Pizza Oven. ETL certified for safety and sanitation. ETL-US and ETL sanitation certifications guarantee peace of mind, ensuring the oven meets rigorous safety and hygiene standards for commercial and home use. Double deck for high output. Cook two 16-inch pizzas at once, ideal for busy restaurant shifts or large gatherings without sacrificing quality. Intelligent cavity design. Large heating elements span the full cavity, minimizing the need to rotate pizzas for even cooking. An oven light lets you monitor progress without opening the door. Precise deck control. Independent upper and lower temperature controls, up to 550°F, and a 60-minute timer with audible alarm allow for customized cooking, from thin crust pizzas to pretzels and pastries. Durable and easy to clean. Stainless steel exterior and aluminized steel interiors withstand commercial rigors, while full insulation keeps exterior surfaces cool and maintains consistent internal temperatures. Pizza stone included. Each deck comes with a high-quality pizza stone, delivering authentic, crispy crusts with beautiful leoparding. Benefits that make a difference. Consistent, pizzeria-quality results. The combination of high-heat pizza stones and even heat distribution ensures every pie comes out with a perfectly baked crust and melted toppings, rivaling top pizza joints. Time-saving efficiency. The double-deck design and 60-minute timer streamline cooking, letting you manage multiple orders or serve guests quickly during busy shifts or parties. Versatility for any kitchen. Beyond pizzas, this oven handles a wide range of foods. Think pretzels, flatbreads, or even roasted dishes, making it a multi-purpose workhorse for restaurants or home kitchens. Why choose the Crosson over competitors? Compared to pricier models like the Pizza Master or Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, the Crosson offers incredible value. While high-end ovens may boast additional presets or sleeker designs, the Crosson delivers comparable performance at a fraction of the cost, often 3 to 10 times less expensive. Its double-deck capacity and independent controls give it an edge over single-deck models, and the included pizza stones are a bonus not always found in competitors. For small businesses or home cooks looking for commercial-grade results without breaking the bank, this oven is hard to beat. The verdict: a must-have for pizza perfection. The Crosson ETL listed commercial double-deck 16-inch countertop electric pizza oven is a powerhouse that delivers professional results in a compact, user-friendly package. Its durable construction, precise controls, and high output design make it a top choice for restaurants, caterers, and home cooks who demand quality and efficiency. While minor shipping issues with the pizza stone have been reported, the seller's responsive customer service resolves them quickly. If you're ready to elevate your pizza game and impress customers or guests with every pie, this oven is a worthy investment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.